In this video, I'm going to talk about the right way to behave during holidays or weekends. Well, most of us, when the holidays or long weekends come around, think we should just lie on the couch or in a chair all day. That's good, that's clear. Why? Because when you're lying down or just lounging in a chair, both your body and your brain are resting. But science says that lying around endlessly eventually tires your body out, and you need some movement. Even scientific studies have been conducted. How long can young people, like students, lie in bed without moving? And it turned out that after 2 days, they start to lose their vitality. These are the facts from science. Your body knows how much rest it needs, and after a certain amount of lying on the couch or sitting in a chair, you'll eventually get up and start moving. Why? Because movement is a necessity for humans. You started moving, and that's good, but your brain is still resting. Why? Because it's really comfortable. You're moving, but your mind isn't working, and that's really bad. Why? Because the brain gets used to being lazy. It doesn't want to work, and that leads to you taking the first step toward dementia. So, what is dementia? Leads to you taking the first step toward dementia. What is dementia? Dementia is a form of mental decline. And this mental decline can happen at any age. You don't have to be 100 years old for that. Dementia can start very early. With your love for just lying on the couch and doing nothing. So what should you do? Do what you started. Lie down and relax. But as soon as your body wants to move, get up and start moving your body while also getting your brain in gear. What does it mean to get your brain moving? That means you should start reading, drawing, knitting, or playing an instrument right away. As a last resort, learn a poem together with your younger son, younger daughter, or grandson. Who can memorize the poem faster? That's already the brain at work. And that's absolutely right. Professor's advice. You need to take a break. Rest is a break for both your body and your mind. Get up, take a break, then get up and start working both your body and your brain at the same time.